Hello and welcome friends on Leo English Hub lecture 17, and today we are going to go through a practice session, and we are going to practice the rules of after, while, before and in today. So let's go through the sentences, guys. So first we have the rule of after plus verb ing plus object, and according to this rule you can see a couple of sentences on your screen, and you can understand that how after and verb ing are used. So there are two verbs in the sentence, in the first sentence, and the two verbs have different treatments. We enter into classroom, so that is the one verb in a sentence, and after doing a prayer, which means an activity is performed after performing another activity. That's it. So this is how we use verb ing form, the gerund behind after, right? In second sentence also, after planning. So you can understand the use of after, and the purpose of giving you examples is to make you aware about how you will need to practice on your own. So try to make as many as possible sentences so that you can put it in your practice of writing and speaking. So before we move ahead to the next screen, guys, I request you to subscribe our channel so that you don't miss any lecture ever, and it would help us as well. It would support our channel as well. So guys, let's move ahead. On the next screen we have the rule of while. So we have couple of sentences using while, and same thing happens with the while as well, because the second rule is while plus verb ing plus object. So in a sentence there are two verbs, check, the customers check, and while buying a product. So we have buy and check, two verbs in the first sentence, whereas in second sentence we have the verbs of trying and helping. So there is no ing behind try, but obviously the verb preceding by while has ing form. So try making more sentences, more such sentences. And guys, one more important thing I need to tell you is that whenever you find any difficulty in vocabulary or any word, you can comment me. If you have any queries, you can comment me always, and I would reply as soon as possible, guys. You can use some other sources for vocabulary, like dictionaries or Google Translate facilities and so on, guys. So the things you can see on your screen, you can note down and make notes, and try to make another more and more sentences like this. You can write them, you can speak them as well. If you are not willing to write sentences, you can practice them speaking, and that's our motive, that you become conversant in speaking more and more. So let's move ahead, guys, on the next screen. And on the third screen we have the rule of before. So all these rules are similar to each other, and the third rule is before plus verb ing plus object, and you have couple of examples on your screen, guys, and the same treatment is given to before as well. The word adjoining before also goes with ing form. So you can see here the examples of government and job seekers, where we have used before and followed by the verb ing form of the verb. So let's have a look at the last rule of in. So in this rule as well, it says in plus verb ing plus object. That means an activity is performed in accordance with another activity. So some students feel lazy in writing sentences, and they don't feel lazy in writing sentences as well. So we have negative sentences in accordance with the positive sentence as well. So the negatives have been written in a way that they don't change the meaning of positives. So I feel proud in helping others, and I don't feel good in misguiding others. So try making more sentences like this, try speaking more and more sentences like this. It will add variety in your speaking and writing, and it will be helpful in the exams like IELTS, PT, TOEFL, and it is a good communication as well. It is considered as a good communication as well, guys. So that is it for today, guys. We have seen and practiced the rules of after, while, before and in. And before we conclude today, I request you to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much for joining us today, guys. Thank you.